Ultimate Guide for Beginners on Creating and Selling Ebooks and Printables with Passive Income Potential in 2024. Step 1. Identify your niche. Choose a topic that you're passionate about and have expertise in. Research popular niches and trends to ensure there's a demand for your content. Validate your idea by searching for keywords, reading online forums, and checking social media conversations. Step 2. Define your target audience. Identify your ideal customer demographics, interests, and pain points. Create buyer personas to guide your content creation and marketing efforts. Research your target audience's preferences, habits, and behaviors. Step 3. Plan your content. Decide on the type of content you want to create, ebook, printable, or both. Determine the scope of your content, for example, length, format, and level of detail. Plan your content structure and outline to ensure it's easy to follow and engaging. Step 4. Create your content. Write your ebook or create your printable using a word processor or design software. Ensure your content is high quality, engaging, and valuable to your target audience. Use formatting tools, images, and graphics to make your content visually appealing. Step 5. Design your cover. Create a cover design that represents your ebook or printable's theme and tone. Use a design tool like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to create a professional-looking cover. Ensure your cover is eye-catching and attention-grabbing. Step 6. Set your price. Research your competition and similar products in the market. Determine your pricing strategy, for example, low-cost, premium, or subscription-based. Consider offering discounts or promotions to attract early customers. Step 7. Choose your sales platform. Decide which sales platform to use, for example, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Etsy, or Gumroad. Research each platform's fees, terms, and conditions. Choose the platform that best suits your needs and target audience. Step 8. Optimize your product listing. Write a compelling product title and description that highlights your ebooks or printables benefits. Use relevant keywords to improve search engine optimization, SEO. Add high-quality images and videos to showcase your product. Step 9. Create a sales page. Design a sales page that showcases your product and its benefits. Use persuasive copywriting techniques to encourage customers to buy. Add a clear call to action, CTA, to encourage sales. Step 10. Build an email list. Create an email list to promote your product and stay in touch with customers. Use a mailing list service like MailChimp or ConvertKit to manage your subscribers. Offer incentives like freebies or exclusive content to encourage signups. Step 11. Promote your product. Share your product on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Utilize paid advertising options like Facebook ads or Google AdWords. Collaborate with influencers or other creators in your niche. Step 12. Deliver your product. Set up an automated delivery system for your ebook or printable. Ensure that customers receive their product promptly after purchase. Provide customer support through email or social media channels. Step 13. Monitor and analyze performance. Track your sales, website traffic, and email open rates using analytics tools. Analyze customer feedback and reviews to identify areas for improvement. Adjust your marketing strategy based on performance data. Step 14. Leverage affiliate marketing. Recruit affiliates who can promote your product in exchange for commissions. Offer incentives like higher commissions or exclusive content for top-performing affiliates. Monitor affiliate performance and adjust commissions accordingly. Step 15. Scale your business continuously. Create new content and products to expand your offerings. Optimize your sales funnel and marketing strategy based on performance data. Expand your reach by exploring new marketing channels and opportunities. By following these 15 steps, you can create a successful ebook or printable business with passive income potential. Remember to stay focused on providing value to your customers, continually improving your products and marketing strategy, and adapting to changes in the market.